all, my name is Mahima, and I am so glad and I'm so blessed that I could get a webinar session like social emotional learning and a trainer like Jumu ma'am. I was so worried at first, like how it's going to be for 2 to 5, and at first when I saw ma'am, the way she was organized and the presentation and everything, that was very much, that gave me a robust, to listen more, and it was like so good session actually. And I must say that your smile was more than enough for, for us all to be very attentive throughout the session. And I must say, the one thing that I have learned is like to bring the change in me first, so that I'll be like you someday. I believe, you have given me that belief today. So I'm so blessed, I would say, that I got a trainer like you today. That's what I really wanted to mention. Thank you so much.